Hey everybody, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun to treat your shoulders. Whether you pitch 9 innings every weekend or your child likes to be carried on your shoulders can become stiff, sore, or carry tension. The Theragun is an amazing device to help you find relief, increase mobility, and get the most out of your body. So here's what you're gonna do. Step 1, pick your attachment. I like the wedge for the shoulders, but you can use whichever you like for this treatment. Remember, attachments allow you to personalize usage to your own needs. If you have a Pro, you can adjust the arm angle to meet your need. But our ergonomic Theragun triangle design makes it easy to use almost anywhere on your body. Step 2, turn on your device by holding the power button, then set the treatment speed. Remember to always turn it on before applying it to your body. Now determine which grip feels the most natural for you while treating your shoulders. I recommend the reverse grip because of the control it provides when reaching across the body to apply the device in a perpendicular manner. Step 3, now for the fun part, using your Theragun. If you're using your Theragun to activate or warm up your shoulders, we recommend the following protocol. Apply the Theragun for 30 seconds total in 10-second increments, starting with the origin of your muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, then the insertion of your muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, and finally, you'll want to go back and forth for 10 seconds along the muscle fibers from one end to the other. If you're using your Theragun to recover or relax your shoulders, we recommend using your device all over the muscle, back and forth, side to side, for 2 minutes total. This is going to get the blood flowing and work out the lactic acid that builds up. Remember, we want your Theragun to feel like an extension of your hand, so explore all the speed, attachments, and grip combinations to find the one that's right for you.